Okay, guys, here we are. We are back in it again, and I probably should have grabbed this video a little bit sooner, but I've got the rods installed now, but not bolted up. So they are in the bore, which is where we left off yesterday. And I haven't gone ahead and put the bearings and clearance those. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you we are now in the process of doing the crankshaft end play. So we're checking the clearance on how much this guy, let's see if we can, so we've got that zeroed out, and it is a finicky little guy. So we've got that zeroed out. We've pulled back on the crankshaft. So we've taken all of the play out of it, and we've set up our dial indicator so that it's zeroed out. And what I did to take the play out of it, I pulled back on it with a big crowbar. I'm not beating on the thing. I'm just putting some pressure on it. I'm not prying on any edges. I'm not doing damage to anything. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put pressure the opposite way and shove the crank forwards, and we'll see what our reading gets. So there's me pushing hard, and we've got about 6 thousandths of end play. The spec on this guy is between 5, so 5 is on the low side, that's as tight as you want it to be, to 17 thousandths. So we are good to go on our crankshaft end play.